So let me turn on the device so you can hear how it sounds. I've been playing around with this karaoke machine for a couple of weeks now, and I can tell you that this is packed with a lot of features that you need in a karaoke machine. The size is actually perfect for home use, backyard, and travel. This is about 12-inch by 15-inch by 7 inches wide. The 200-watt peak power sound is big enough for a backyard karaoke, and it's actually loud when you use it in your family room. The top has a built-in slot for your phone or tablet. It has regular USB port and a USB-C port. You have a card reader right here. This is your microphone volume knob, your microphone echo control, and your regular on-off switch and volume knob. It also comes with an auxiliary port for your headphone and a microphone input if you want to use an extra microphone or if you want to plug in an instrument. This is your LED control button. You can short press it to switch the light modes, and you can long press it to turn it on and off. This is your sound effect button. You can also long press it to turn off the lyrics from a regular music. As long as they have a stereo sound, you should be able to remove the lyrics from that song. The M button will allow you to switch from different modes. This one is your display screen. This is your back button. You can short press it to go to previous song, and you can long press it to do a fast rewind. And this button will allow you to go to the next song when you short press it, or do a fast forward when you long press it. The middle button is your play and pause button, and this button will also let you pair another karaoke device like this, so you have a true wireless stereo setup. So let me turn on the device so you can hear how it sounds.
Bluetooth mode.
This thing have a 5.3 Bluetooth with a 50-foot range, so you can stream from your device and carry your phone around. So the front is your 6.5 subwoofer, and you have a tweeter here with a DSP chip. This thing is going to allow the speaker to produce much clearer sound compared to a regular analog speaker. This karaoke is also packaged with 2 or 3 rechargeable microphones, and it does pick up the sound really nice. If you're looking to get more than 2 microphones, I would suggest to just get 2 sets of this, so you can get a total of 4 microphones. Plus, you can do a dual speaker setup for the same price of their 3 microphone package. So this microphone battery is actually rechargeable, and it takes 3 hours to charge, and it's going to give you 10 hours of non-stop singing. This device will take 4 hours to charge, and it will give you 20 hours of playtime. The device actually have a really nice weight to it, and it comes with a shoulder strap so you can carry it around with you. So let me turn on the microphone so we can see how it sounds. And this is the microphone without the echo. And you can turn on the echo so you can have some reverb sound when you're singing. And you can also have fun by switching to different voice mode. This is the female voice. Now this is the baby voice. This is your male voice. And this is the monster voice. So if you're looking for a starter PA system that you can carry around with you, you can't go wrong with this VerkB system. And with the TWS feature, you can always upgrade the system at a later date if you feel the need for more sound.